The client, DeJuan Ferguson. Let me bring in criminal defense attorney, former prosecutor, and former CIA officer, Jack Rice. Okay, Jack, where do we begin?
It wasn't just me. It was both of us.
Oh, no, you're very kind. No, I know. You and I, you're one of my favorite guests. Not just saying that. I say it when you're not on the program here in person. You know, and it is because you get it. And you know this. When you're a trial attorney who gets it, who knows how to run a trial, Jack Rice, you can spot a great trial attorney a mile away. And you can spot the ones who are not so great, too, and you can see what needs corrected. And where we kind of left off, you were sort of giving sort of an overarching theme. If you were defending DeJuan Ferguson, how you would approach it, and you were saying, Julie, oh my gosh, look at all of these people involved in this child's life through that period of time, and nobody said a thing was wrong. How on earth can the state prove all this abuse and neglect was happening if all these witnesses saw nothing, reported nothing?
Yeah, well, we could take it a step further, right? Let's look at the mom in this case. The reason this case is at trial right now is because of the pressure that she put on for 16 years. And we understand back in 2007, the police said, we're not going to do this. Or the prosecutor said, we are not going to try this case. We don't have enough evidence. And she pushed and pushed and pushed. And she went after the cops, and she went after the county, and she went after the prosecutors. She went after the politician who literally ran on this very issue so he could win. And now what we have is we assume that that mom who hates the ex-husband, Mr. Ferguson, like cancer, you think the pressure that she didn't put on her own child? I mean, when you heard that child say, and we both saw it, he is the sperm donor, we started thinking, right? You come back as a defense attorney and say, you called him your sperm donor. You didn't call him your father. You didn't call him your dad. He's not your dad. He's not your father. He didn't do this. He didn't do that. We know what you think of him, and we all know that you hate him just like your mom hates him. So now let's talk about where we are. You tee that up.
Exactly.
And then you cut it to pieces.
Exactly, just like you did.